Hey everyone, this is Shirley with Shirley's Daughters, and I just got a box from Avon with some exciting items in it, and I just wanted to share with you all these items because I'm excited about them. So I am going to sit the camera down so that you can see the box, and we'll go through each item. Alright. So there is the new stuff that's coming in. Let's go ahead and stick this right here. And I don't usually buy clothes and shoes from Avon, but I saw these shoes and I thought that they were kind of cute. And I said, why not? Let's try it out and see what happens. So, what do you guys think? I think that they're super cute. It's a gold shoe. Let's see what it looks like on the foot. I think that they're nice. What do you all think about that? I think they're a nice shoe. Okay. So that's one thing. And they are a size 9. And they fit just right for my feet. So I'm happy about that. Okay, here are some other things that I got. Let's see here. What's in here? Oh. So this right here is the new hair mask. So I'm going to try this out. Rejuvenating, Benevolent Hair Mask by Properly Terra. I think that's how you say that. Okay, so let's see. I just want to smell it to see how it smells. You know me. If I can get it open. Well, they got this sealed up good. You know if somebody been in there. It's plastic all the way around it. Oh, it's like a... Oh, I like the way it smells. It's got a nice scent to it. Anything that I use, I like for it to smell good. That was that. Let's see what this is. So this right here is the oil serum. Same line. So we've got the hair mask and the oil serum. Revitalizes your hair with its natural ingredients. Honey, royal jelly. Revitalizes, yeah. Honey and royal jelly. That's what's in this line. Looks like honey, doesn't it? That's kind of what it smells like too, now that I know that that's what's in it. Okay. Moving on. Oh, and the new line from Avon too is the Whitening Essential Toothpaste. This is the Fresh Mint. Helps whiten teeth and remove surface stains. Fluoride toothpaste. This is the Blanc charcoal. So that's going to be good. That's something new and different. Da, 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 da. If I can get it out the package. It's really wrapped up. Let's see. this is the necklace. This is what I was most excited about getting. I really hope that I love it. Oh, it is beautiful. It is beautiful. Look at it. Get the paper out of the way. Look at that. It's kind of a 3 different shades of brown. Kind of a creamy, milky color with a little bit of pink in it too. And the gold tones on the chain. Isn't that beautiful? And it comes with a set of earrings to match. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Let's see, what else do I got in here? What is this? Oh, this is the charcoal toothbrush. Look at that. So, I guess I'll do a video when I try this to try it out and use it so I can let you guys know how it goes. Okay, let's see. What is this? Because I have kind of really forgotten about. Oh, and this is the Belief. This is the Belief. Take it out of the plastic. This is the Aqua Bomb Belief. I really love this moisturizer. It's really light on your face, and it's kind of like a gel cream. It's not really a cream, but it's not really a gel either. It's a gel cream. So that was the Aqua Bomb. And then this one is the Belief moisturizing balm. 2 different types of moisturizers. I have to do research on what the big difference is between the 2 of them. But it too is, it's more creamy than gel. It's not gel like the other one. It's more creamy. And then I have some samples of the new Avon Flourish in the Peony Rose fragrance. So anybody who wants a sample of that, just let me know. And then this is a sample of the new primer. Okay. So it has like 2 different colors to it. And we'll go over what the difference is on that. Well, that would be all that I have for you today. Also got some brochures. Anybody that needs a brochure, feel free to contact me and I can get one to you. Again, please like and subscribe and leave a comment. Share the video. I'd love for everyone to know what's going on with Avon. One other thing that I want to tell you all, you still can become an Avon representative for $0. And it would include your own replicated website. And there's the Avon U, so there's plenty of training. And of course, you'd have me to help you with any questions that you have. And my mentor for any questions that I can't answer, because I don't know everything yet. But it's a great opportunity. It's a side hustle. Everybody knows the brand. It's easy to sell. So if you think, even if you like the product, why not sign up to be a rep so that you get it at the discounted price? It's a no-brainer. And it doesn't cost you anything to sign up. All right, well, that's all I have for today. Thanks a lot. Bye.